99 of Justin Sellers. Outside of Justin Sellers is John Featherston. Inside row 5, the 21 of Cody Armand. Here comes the green flag, and we're racing.
And it's T-Rob, the mailman, out front.
And it's not going to go well as I can finish the lineup here. The 21 of Cody Houseworth on the inside. Outside of Cody Houseworth in the 11 car of Josh Lundy. Following the next row, in the 3 car, that would be Kevin Memley. Outside of Kevin Memley in the 3 car is the 94 of John Logan Jr. And rounding out the field in the 11 car, Josh Thiering. I wonder if they got a yellow flag so I could finish the lineup. What do you think, Eric? I don't know.
Just for you, John, just for you.
Yeah. All right, let's do it again. Here we go. Here they come, green flag, and we're racing.
And it's T-Rob, the mailman, out front in that 29 car. Garrett Fry in the 96.
Whoa!
Trying to get to the outside. Got a little squirrely, and that's going to bottle everybody up in the back. But Terrence Robinson and the 36 of Howie Ware, 1-2. Chad Smith is third. And Garrett Fry in that 96 car. We haven't seen him for a couple weeks. It's good to see him back in that 4th spot with Johnny Robinson in the top 5. The mailman trying to deliver his T-Rob's out front, but Howie Ware, your points leader, is right on his bumper. And the second in points. And the 3rd spot is at 82X. Garrett Fry and Johnny Robinson rolling off your top 5. Rich Schinderling in the 6th spot. That 99S is Justin Sellers as they pulled away a little bit from the pack, but it's still Terrence Robinson and the 29 car out front. Howie Ware just all over him in that 36 and that 82 right there as well with Chad Smith.
Here comes Memley working on the inside of Cody Houseworth, coming into 3 and 4. Lundy getting sideways almost. Look out. Hang on to it, Josh. It's him and John Featherston locked up there towards the battle in the back.
But it's still out front with the 29 car of Terrence Robinson and Howie Ware and Chad Smith as they get all bumpy and grindy in turns 3 and 4. Garrett Fry trying to hold off the 99R of Johnny Robinson for that 4th spot. But it's still the mailman who's delivering in the 29, Howie Ware. Right behind him, Chad Smith trying to make a move on the low side and will pull up.
Keep an eye on your double-duty driver in that 68 car, Rich Schinderling, top 6 right now, who went sideways in his last race.
And it's T-Rob still out front in that 29 car. Howie Ware in the 36 right there along with Chad Smith. And then Garrett Fry trying to hold off that 99 of Robinson for spot number 4.
Smith looking to the inside of Howie Ware to make a challenge for 2nd place as Terrence Robinson leads them around as we are getting to near the halfway point.
Got that feeling that Howie Ware just wants to make that inside move on him with that 36. He just hasn't done it yet. But there's going to be the 82. Chad Smith is going to find an inside lane and trying to run it hot. Not hot enough as he's still in that 3rd spot. Garrett Fry and Johnny Robinson in a battle in that 4th spot with the 96 and the 99R. Top 3 continue to battle. Will the mailman deliver tonight? Can Howie Ware pull it off? Will the machine, Chad Smith, find his way in there?
He's giving Howie a run for his money. Here comes Chad Smith on the inside of Howie Ware coming in 3 and 4. Chad Smith holding his line there, looking to make a move on Howie.
It's like a match of time.
Whoa, Terrence Robinson almost went sideways. That could have been bad. Here comes Chad Smith to take advantage of it here.
Can he do it on that low side? It's been tough. It's been a hard runner. Howie Ware just in that tight second all over Terrence Robinson.
Terrence Robinson hanging on for dear life. I hope Terrence can do it here.
And now here comes Garrett Fry in that 96. He wants to join the fun.
It's Smith and Ware side by side. Oh, hang on to it,
he got some
Robinson.
help.
Chad Smith taking advantage of the move there. Chad Smith, your new leader in the Throwback Days of Thunder 82.
Unbelievable. Robinson Terrence said his might have spun out if he wouldn't have got some help from that 82. So a little bank driving right there. Howie Ware still in third. Garrett Fry right there in the fourth. And Johnny Robinson now in a battle with Rich Schinderling for that fifth spot.
Wow, what a move there that happened with Chad Smith taking advantage of it there. Terrence Robinson just losing a little bit of control. Chad Smith being smart, trying to make his move, and now he's in the lead.
That's the machine. He's finished 3 times in the top 5, that 82 car. Has no feature wins, has been a top qualifier 3 times. Will he get his first feature win? He's looking good in the 82. Terrence Robinson in that 29 second. Howie Ware still in that 3rd spot. Garrett Fry holding on to that 4th spot. Rich Schinderling in 5. Johnny Robinson now in 6. Justin Sellers in the 99 in 7. Chad Smith, the machine, out of Davis Junction, Illinois, pulling away from the rest of the Bargain Hunter Sportsman. Terrence Robinson still trying to hold on to that 2nd spot, but Howie Ware with a battle, trying to go on to the inside. Garrett Fry in that 96 is waiting for some kind of mistake between those two to slide in there, but nothing yet. They go side by side, door to door, and it turns 1 and 2, and it's going to be Howie Ware in the 36 car. What about Garrett Fry now? He took the low side and is running it hard. Smith in the lead, Howie 2nd, Fry 3rd, Terrence Robinson now in 4. Schinderling has worked his way up to 5. Johnny Robinson in the 6th spot, Justin Sellers in 7, and we got 1 to go. The machine is on the move in that 82 of Chad Smith. Howie Ware in the 36 car looks to be 2nd. Garrett Fry will not have enough, I do not believe, to catch him, and he doesn't.
Wow.
Garrett Fry for 3rd, Terrence Robinson 4th, Johnny Robinson 5th.
Chad Smith with his first feature win of the year. How about that? He was playing smart there when Terrence Robinson got a little loose with Ware getting up into him. Then went ahead and Chad Smith made his move. What an amazing run by Chad Smith there to take that feature win.
That's why they call him the machine. Ryan Kuhn Trucking, Demer Transport Incorporated, Byron Auto Body. Key sponsors for that 1994 Chevy Lumina.
Ladies and gentlemen, as he gets out of his car, I know he's going to be a happy camper in that throwback Days of Thunder Cole Trickle Superflow Motor Oil start looking car. You know he's very happy. Here he is. Give it up for Chad Smith. Wow. What a feature win for Chad Smith tonight here at the Rockford Speedway. What an amazing run.